You know what we haven't done in a while? Coding. And I'm going to put coding in quotation marks because we're going to make a game with just ChatGPT pretty much. I think it's going to be Christmas themed and we're going to use Pygame. And happy Christmas, by the way. This video will be coming out on Christmas, but I'm pre-recording it on the 23rd because I'll be away. I'm wearing my Christmas jumper. You can't really see it very well, but it's a Christmas jumper. And yeah, let's get started. I am on Windows. I've not used Linux for a while, really, but we're going to be building this in WSL. So let's get going. I should have opened this first. This seems to take a minute. Okay, good. We don't really... Yeah, let's just do, let's see. Let's just let's do touch xmas.py code xmas.py. Oh, apparently we're uploading VS Code. Bear with me. I guess you can skip forward a few seconds. I want to do more coding. I want to do more of these videos. I thought this could be a good idea. We're just going to do 20, 30 minutes of coding in quotation marks and see where we get to. This seems to have not worked properly, so let's... Oh no, it has. It literally just worked there, but it will open nice and quickly this time. Cool. So let's get started. Okay. Hello. And I was I've got two ChatGPT accounts, and I was just looking at an idea. Let's see. I want to build a game in Pygame called Santa's Gift Catcher. That's what we're going to call it. In which we move Santa left to right, trying to catch presents whilst we have to avoid snowballs. This is a nice easy game to get us started. Now, I'll be honest, I don't know if we can just make assets in Pygame. Can you give me the code? Give me the code. Let's see how far we can get with what ChatGPT gives us, and then we'll just add things, you know. See what we can do in 20, 30 minutes. Oh, they've updated the way code looks. This is all very new. Ooh, very exciting. This is crazy. Wait, can you run this code? That would be insane. I have not seen this before. I've not really been using ChatGPT all that much. God, just keep going. Keep going. It's sort of crazy what you can do without writing a single line of code. Okay, I'm going to just grab all of this. Let's do that and see what we have. It might be that it doesn't even run. Oh. Okay, so we need images. Okay, here's what we're going to say. I currently don't have any images, so could you just replace them with shapes that we generate, that we make? I guess we should probably look for Santa transparent PNG. Guess we can download this, eh? Maybe I should have downloaded these assets before. Let's just see what ChatGPT gives us. It's editing. Wow, it's actually editing it rather than doing like a whole new response. That's amazing. I've not seen any of this. When did this all happen? Anyway. Lol. Copy. Okay. Let's try and run this game. Python 3 xmas.py. Will this even have Pygame? We need to I wonder if it's been activated. So I'm just I've just activated a virtual environment, and I imagine I probably have Pygame in there. If I don't, then I'll install it. I'm not sure what EGL is. I didn't mean to do that. So let's just do our debugging, eh? Where are we at? We're only 5 minutes in. That's good. This error. Yeah, I knew it was to do with this. Yeah, there you go. I just forgot what the command was. It's because we're on WSL, so you need to just actually say which display to use when we run this. Okay, so that's Oh, okay, so the the blue is actually that's what I should have been avoiding. Okay, avoid those, avoid those. So we have something. Pardon me. Okay. I guess what we do want now, let's actually make it look like a game, okay? Let's just look for, are these actual PNGs though? Let's download that, save image as. Okay, just call that Santa. Sorry for my cough, it's that time of year. Santa, PNG, what else did we want beforehand? Santa, okay, let's do present PNG. And also something I just want to check, you're over here, let's go on downloads, Santa PNG, are you actually a PNG? It looks like you are, which is good. So we want a present that drops, you know, let's make it a cartoon. I think one of these is quite, that looks like it could be fine. Save image as present.png. What else do we want? And we want snowball, right? Snowball, transparent PNG. Let's get something that is actually quite vivid, visible. Yeah, we might just have to, let's just go with this, I guess. Save image as snowball.png. Okay, so the next step, I'm just gonna do this off screen, but so we want to move those images into, hang on, let me open another folder. So File Explorer, Linux, Ubuntu, Home, Tmonkas, and is this where we have our code? You can see this is where our Xmas code is. And I'm going to go on downloads. Oh, I've got Santa and present, but I accidentally didn't grab snowball. So they should be here now. Okay, can we, well, all caps. Okay, can we revert back to using the images? I now have them. They are in the same directory as the code, i.e. the PNGs. Gs you mentioned. Okay. Now, is that what they're called though? Let's clear this. And it's present.png, Santa.png, and snowball.png. Santa, present, snowball. Oh. I just want the code. Okay, I think it's because it hasn't... Interestingly, when it hasn't stopped generating, when you do a control all on the code, it grabs everything. But once it's done, watch us when it's done. Now when I do a control all, it actually just gives us the code. Very nice. Okay, we've saved that. Where's my terminal? Python 3. I guess I don't need to specify that because we're in a virtual environment. Xmas.py. Okay. Probably something to do with... Hang on, how to... Let's see. Let's just... I guess let's stay true to form and just do this. Let's use ChatGPT. That's what we want to do. No coding. We don't touch. The error occurs because the width or the height of gift image or snowball image is larger than the screen. They were quite big images, so what it's going to do now is actually customize the height and width, I guess. So that should be good. We can fix this by ensuring the image's dimensions are smaller than the screen width and handling the range calculation properly. I thought it was something to do with the images probably being too big. I didn't really look at the size when I downloaded them. Okay. No, it's not done generating yet. Okay, where's our code? Maybe we should look at the code in a moment as well. Did I... Okay. We might have to keep fixing this. I just want to make sure I've actually got the code. I think the error message was different, so... Yeah, okay. Let's do the same thing again. Come on, ChatGPT. You should have done it for all images. The error indicates that the dimensions of the GIF.png or snowball.png images are too large for the screen. Resolve this issue when they are loaded. Cool. I mean, this is not efficient game development. I know that. I know that. This is very cool. And we can have a look at some of the code. So what we've got screen dimensions, colors, black and white. I'm not sure what they're used for yet. The screen, game display, set mode, width, height, Santa's gift catcher, clock, okay, FPS 60. And then this is the scale images. Okay, so in this case, it only looks like it's now doing it for all of them, at least. Okay, I've updated the code, and look, it does. This is quite cool, yeah. No, I do like this. Very cool. VS Code. Go to terminal. We could run it in there, but I don't. Let's clear that because it's looking a bit messy. Okay, where the hell is Santa? Santa. That might just be that we've called it something else. Let me check what. So we've called it Santa.png. What does the code call it? Santa.png. Santa.png. I think that's correct. Should we try that again? Okay. Where am I? Where am I? Where am I going? For some reason, Santa isn't appearing. But the snowball and present are. Also, could you make all the images just a little bit smaller? I feel like sometimes it crashes like this. So, no. Yeah, I like this mode. You've hit the free limit with responses will use another model until you limit. Yeah, that's fine. This is probably why it was... Can I not be in this mode? Maybe I should just get the paid version. Why can't I send this? Why are you saying new chat? No. Go back to... Am I... Okay, so hopefully we can now sort this. Why is this going? Can I just... Is it because I need to choose the model? I think... Okay, we're just going to have to send it here. Continuing from our previous chat, making that Santa game. Let's see if it can do that. Can you give me the whole code? Maybe okay, so maybe I need to just go plus, it seems. Damn, they really teased me. It really was good. I liked it. I feel like now I have to pay for ChatGPT because I just want that feature. They really damn got me. Well, I guess we're using the old ChatGPT. Old EP. Let's see how much they've screwed it up. Where's my terminal? Oh, Lord. That's so funny. Alright, let's continue debugging. I feel like I could probably debug this better, but we gotta keep going. Okay, it's not doing, like, the whole code, so... if... Where does this code go? Ensure that if the present image is too large for the scheme, will not cause an error, and we'll... Hang on. Let's go back. I don't know what weird chats I've got in here, so let me just grab this code. This is like the last working thing we had. This is the current code. And what's the actual error? It's great that you've made adjustments like scaling the images. However, I noticed a few points of improvement. Yeah. It's funny how much better the new GPT is. This is garbage. And not so long ago, we were all blown away by this. Let's see what happens with the updates it's just given us. Santa doesn't appear to be rendering, but the snowball and present are. How to open an image in Linux. I just want to make sure everything is okay. Do. I should say terminal. Funnily enough, I think I've got a video about this from a long time ago. XDG. Can you do that with an image? XDG santa.png. Yeah, you need to install Firefox. It's because I'm on WSL. I should say WSL. It's probably easier to do it in ChatGPT law. Stay with me. Don't get bored. We're going to build a game. It has been 21 minutes. We can still make it better. This seems like a lot of... and then how do we actually use it? This is the correct answer. Does this work? I just installed something and... I mean, that's not really what I wanted. I think it just opened... Oh, whatever. I feel like we're getting too distracted here. Let's get back to it. What has ChatGPT said? Okay. We might just have to use a different image, you know? We'll read what it said in just a moment. I feel like right now it's kind of a bit of an epic fail. Where's Santa? Was there any snowballs? Snowballs. Present. Santa still isn't here. I feel like he's below the game window. Because when we looked at it before, I mean, downloads. I mean, the Santa PNG is there, you know. There you go. I'm not sure what happened. I think I must have accidentally moved it. I have no idea how long it's been like that. Okay. Well. Activate. Source. Turned bin. Activate. Okay. Python 3. xms.py. This has definitely been a bit of a disaster. EGL is not initialized. Export display. Okay, that's still working. Good. It is. Okay, now we're making... Let's see where we get to. Why are you saying Pygame is not... I've literally... What have you done, ChatGPT? It got rid of the import. We lost all of our imports. I don't know what else is in this. Guess we'll find out. Oh, okay. This, I won't lie. I won't lie. This has been a disaster. Why are you saying game over? Hang on. Why are you saying game over? And why is it still going? Hang on, let's see when I'm actually losing lives. No. No. Score lives. Score. Oh yeah, keep going, keep going. Let's see if we actually lose a life. We lost a life. Okay. Okay. So this works now. But I want the game to fully end when we lose all of our lives. I'm just hoping that for the most part oh, I guess I can edit it. Shouldn't be fine. But if you're watching this now, what happened was, I'm probably going to edit it out, but what happened was that, oh, some people blowing leaves outside my house, and I got distracted. What happened was that for some reason OBS, like, the screen went black on my OBS. Okay. Let's just get the snowballs. That's not quite what I meant, okay? But at the end of the day, this is now... We're at 28 minutes. We can make it better. Not quite. I didn't want it to quit. Just say game over, and then have to click play again or something to play again. Much English, such English, much. Wow. I definitely want to do this again. I feel like it wasn't as smooth as I wanted. That's Octavius, by the way, in the background. Cool. Hopefully, this will be... Oh my god. Hang on, this... Is that a game problem, or is that my PC having a meltdown? It shouldn't be my PC. Yeah, my PC's fine. That's definitely the game doing something funny. What just happened? Something weird has happened in that loop. So what we're going to do is we're just going to go back to this version. And there you go. There you go. And game over. That's it for today. I hope you all have a good Christmas. And yeah. We'll do this again, so like and subscribe, and we'll build some more games using ChatGPT.